Welcome to another new video tutorial. Welcome you all to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can easily make beautiful color adjustments to an image with just a few clicks. As we see in the picture, a red-yellow affected photo has a beautiful color tone. So begin, we will open this photo, then move to the Adjustments tab in the PhotoKaya software. Now we will click once on the Auto Adjustment tool. And to fine-tune, adjust the opacity of the layer. I will merge again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. Click once on the Smart Sharpness tool to increase the sharpness of the image. And merge it again. With PhotoKaya software you can not only edit photos but also design albums very easily. Video tutorial link on quick album design is given in the description box. Those who have not installed this software yet, for them, the download link of the software is given in the description box. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.